Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are doing well. So, today we will study English literature book. So, let's open your book first and come to the chapter second, One Rainy Day. Earlier, you have learned this chapter, study this chapter, and explanation is also done. So now we will doing the focus words. Now take your English notebook and two sketch colors, one pencil, eraser and sharpener. Okay, and also scale. Now open your notebook and write classwork day, 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 Friday, Friday, date 16/7/2021, and write the chapter name 1 ONE1 rainy 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 day DAY. Also you have to underline the headlines. Okay, now I am giving you some focus word. FOCUS, focus words. WORDS, focus words. Also you have to underline. Okay, now take your pencil and write number 1, park, PARK, park. Second, play, 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 खेलना. Third word is clouds, 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 बादल. Fourth word is falling, FALLING, falling मतलब गिरना. Fifth word is window, WINDOW, window. Sixth word is rain, RAIN, rain means बारिश. Now you have to put a line, a straight line. Just do your work neat and clean. Okay, students? Seventh is hard, 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 कठिन, मुश्किल. Eighth is wet, WET, wet means गीला. Ninth word is soft, Softly, S-O-F-T-L-Y. Softly means mulayam. 10th word is outside. Outside means bahar. 11th word is tears. Tears. T-E-A-R-S. Tears means आंसू. 12th word is squirrel. S-Q-I-R-R-E-L. Squirrel means it is a bird. Squirrel एक चिड़िया होती है, छोटी सी चिड़िया होती है. 13th word is basket. B-A-S-K-E-T. Basket means टोकरी. And 14th word is trembling. T-R-E-M-B-L-I-N-G. Trembling means हिलना. आपने चैप्टर में पढ़ा होगा ना, द स्क्विरल इज़ नॉट ट्रैम्बलिंग एनी मोर. जो स्क्विरल थी, जो चिड़िया थी, वो अपनी जगह से बिल्कुल नहीं हिल रही थी. ओके, नाउ द लास्ट वर्ड इज टॉवल. T-O-W-E-L. टॉवल मतलब तौलिया. Now that's all for today's class. Now you have to do in your English literature notebook and send to me before 2 p.m. Okay students? Otherwise you will marked absent. Okay, bye bye students. Take care and have a good day.